First question. Branch of science deals with the study of fish. Option A morphology, option B ichthyology, option C rhinology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B ichthyology. Next question. Study of blood. Option A hematology, option B hepatology, option C histology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A hematology. Next question. Study of tissue and tissue system. Option A cytology, option B histology, option C entomology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B histology. Next question. Study of structure and function of cell. Option A anatomy, option B histology, option C cytology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C cytology. Next question. Study of structure and function of heart. Option A cardiology, option B hematology, option C hepatology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A cardiology. Next question. Study of structure and function of kidney. Option A cytology, option B histology, option C nephrology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C nephrology. Next question. Study of structure and function of nervous system. Option A neurology, option B carcinology, option C malacology, option D none of which. The correct answer is option A neurology. Next question. Study of diseases and its causes. Option A neurology, option B genetics, option C pathology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C pathology. Next question. Study of structure and function of liver. Option A hematology, option B hepatology, option C herpetology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B hepatology. Next question. The study of extinct animals is called option A geology, option B ornithology, option C paleontology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C paleontology. Next question. Study of endocrine glands. Option A cardiology, option B endocrinology, option C pathology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B endocrinology. Next question. Migration of birds is studied under option A phenology, option B pathology, option C neurology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A phenology. Next question. Herpetology is the study of option A mammals, option B birds, option C amphibians and reptiles, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C amphibian and reptiles. Next question. Study of bones is known as option A phenology, option B osteology, option C rhinology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B osteology. Next question. Study of classification. Option A taxonomy, option B cytology, option C nomenclature, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A taxonomy. Next question. Limnology is the study of option A arthropods, option B annelids, option C snails, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C snails. Next question. Trichology is the study of option A eye, option B hair, option C skin, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B hair. Next question. Study of ticks and mites is known as option A acrology, option B entomology, option C carcinology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A acrology. Next question. Dermatology is the study of structure and function of option A skin, option B hair, option C nose, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A skin. Next question. Study of both flying and non-flying birds is called option A phenology, option B ornithology, option C rhinology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B ornithology. Next question. Ophiology is the study of option A snakes, option B reptiles, option C rats, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A snakes. Next question. Study of internal structure of animal. Option A morphology, option B anatomy, option C malacology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B anatomy. Next question. Study of teeth and gums. Option A ecology, option B malacology, option C odontology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C odontology. Next question. Ethology is the study of option A animal structure, option B animal behavior, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B animal behavior. Next question. The study of aging in animals. Option A gerontology, option B ethology, option C calology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A gerontology. Next question. Carcinology is the study of option A arthropods, option B crustaceans, option C mollusks, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B crustaceans. Next question. Study of joints is called option A arthrology, option B phenology, option C trichology, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A arthrology. Next question. Malacology is the study of option A annelids, option B arthropods, option C mollusks, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C mollusks. Next question. Mycology is the study of option A virus, option B fungi, option C bacteria, option D none of these. Correct answer is option B fungi. Next question. Pedology is the study of option A soil, option B air, option B water, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A soil. Next I have provided all these answers. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks a lot.